Now you might know someone, or this might even be how your tub looks. Don't worry about it. If you want to learn how to recaulk a tub yourself, watch this video and I'll show you exactly what I used and how I did it. And if you know someone that needs their tub recaulked, forward this video.
Surplus DIY is about to come on.
Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. I test real DIY fixes, tool tricks, and money-saving ideas to see if they actually work. Most people use their tub almost every day, whether it's for a shower, a bath, or just normal bathroom use. But without regular cleaning and maintenance, the edges around the tub can start looking dirty, stained, cracked, or worn out. And once the caulk starts to look bad, it can make the whole bathroom feel worse than it really is. So before I apply new caulk, the first thing I need to do is make sure this tub area is cleaned properly. Now for this job,
I use kitchen cleanser, water, a small scrub brush, something to scrape out the old caulk, and a paper towel to wipe everything down.
the most important part is removing as much of the old caulk and loose debris as possible. You do not want to cover dirty old caulk with new caulk and expect it to last. After scraping, I scrubbed the area clean, wiped everything down, and made sure the area where the new caulk would go was completely dry. Caulk needs to stick to the tub and the tile, not water, cleaner, dust, or leftover caulk. When applying the caulk, the goal is to lay a steady bead right where the tub meets the tile. You want the bead to slightly cover both surfaces so it seals the joint. Make sure you cover the corners, the edges, and any spots where the water could seep behind the tub or tile area and cause damage over time. Once the bead is laid, smooth it out before it starts to skin over. This helps it seal better and gives it a cleaner finished look. After that, leave it alone, let it cure. Check the tube for exact cure times, but a safe rule is to keep the tub and shower dry for at least 24 hours before using it again. Some products may be water ready sooner, but I would rather give it extra time than rush it and mess up the seal. If you already have cleaner, towels, and something to scrape with, you may only need caulk. If you have to buy everything, this is usually a still low cost project compared to paying someone to do it. The work is simple, but it does take effort. Most of the job is scraping, cleaning, drying, and taking your time so the final bead looks good. Alright folks, you can see that this is really making a big difference. I'm almost done. The tub area looks cleaner, the edges look sealed, the whole space looks and feels way more comfortable to use. Now this is what I like about small DIY fixes. They do not always cost a lot of money, but if you are willing to put in the work, they can completely change how a space feels. If your tub looked like the before shot, this is something you can try yourself with a few basic materials and some patience. And if you know someone and their tub looks like the before pictures, get them some help. Forward this video to them.